Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this brass plate with the Izejast Brass Cleaner Cream to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is place some on our Scott Blue shop towel, then we're just going to rub it in to this brass plate until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Izejast Brass Cleaner Cream is designed to quickly remove tarnish, dirt, and oxidation while restoring a bright, polished finish to brass surfaces. This non-abrasive formula is easy to use and helps clean brass effectively without being overly harsh on the metal. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.